All right, we're back. Happy Freaky Wing Friday. I'm taking you guys behind the scenes of what we do for Freaky Wing Friday. For some of you that don't know, Freaky Wing Friday, Your Behind BBQ Birds and Bones, we come out with a new wing sauce or a wing dry rub, something crazy, insane, something completely different, and we run it for the weekend. Advertise it. We get people to come in. We get a lot of regulars that come in that just want to try the Freaky Wing for this week. So this week we're rolling spicy peach. It's not really that spicy. Come behind the scenes, I'll show you what I mean. Wang. All right, it's Freaky Wing Friday. Got to make some sauce. Oh, our wings have a base. We start with the base. Obviously, it's Frank's Red Hot. We start with the base, and then we just go up from there. So, I need some garlic. Always salt, pepper, garlic. Woo-hoo. Habanero jam we're going to use. Take some honey, some lemon juice. All right. Yeah, we're going to do like a spicy peach. Now we got to do social media. Social media. Spicy peach. Ooh. Wanks. All right, now we got to get our advertisement going. Bada boom. Here's the review. The owner has a weird beard and kind of looks Amish. But the food is fantastic. Everything is cooked to perfection, and the ribs are out of this world. Any freaky wings yet? Nope. No freaky wings. No freaky wings yet. All right, you ready? 10 hot? Oh, you're not clocked in yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Do I do it on there or do it on there?
You can do it on here.
How do I do it on here?
Well, whenever you're ready to clock in. Are you ready to clock in now, or you want to wait?
Yeah.
You got 5 minutes.
Okay.
You start at 11, right?
Yeah.
10:55.
It's okay.
Oh, it's drill instruction back here.
Okay.
Get ready.
Can you show me how?
To what?
To clock in.
So you just hit switch user. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good. You dining in or taking out? In. Grab a seat anywhere you want. Miss Hannah will be right with you. Every customer.
Greet them.
Greet them. Hey, how you doing?
On the way
What's
in
going
and on
on?
the way out.
Yes. What's going on? Enjoy. Yes. Okay. Command center. Talk to everybody. Personality. Okay? Mm-hmm. All right. It's Freaky Wing Friday. Special. Spicy peach. It's not sweet peach. That probably would have been a good name, though. Or what was the other one? What was the other peach one?
Smoky peach.
Smoky peach. That's what it was.
Bro.
What's up, bro?
Good morning.
What's that?
The burger is so good.
It's good, huh?
So good.
Is your first time having the burger?
Yes. I mean, so good.
Well, see, a lot of barbecue restaurants do burn ends. I don't want to be like everybody else. So we grind that meat down to make 9-ounce patties. We smoke it for 4 hours at 150 degrees. Then we fry it to order. Yeah, it's fire.
That might be the best burger.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, you're up.
That's why I couldn't.
Hi, welcome in. Are we dining in or taking out? Are we dining in or taking out? Dining in? Go ahead and have a seat wherever you like, and Hannah or Jess will be right with you.
Did we get any freakies yet? Maybe nobody's. Maybe nobody's digging the.
Mango and the peach.
All right, so I'm guessing the freaky is not a hit today. Today's the Friday. It's not going to be a hit. Perfect.
There's a first for everything. I think they're coming in.
Yeah, I know.
Nothing on the screen. The freaky wings. It's not a hit.
There we go.
Gotta stretch. Gotta
You don't
stretch.
stretch before you get here?
No.
You don't stretch
Roll
the
out of
whole time
bed,
you're here?
take a shower, come to work. That's it.
When Or do you stop and get your wing? Or do
No,
you stop it at the
we
first?
supply it in the back.
Oh, love that.
But sometimes I have to wake up a little earlier. I'll stop at Circle K, listen to everybody talk, and grab my bangs and get out. No freakies yet.
The creamy coconut Dr. Pepper and rum.
Oh,
It's
wings?
called the Dr. Rum.
Wings?
Rum dog.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
we
you
can't
can
do
wings.
we can't do wings with that. That's a good wing flavor. That's a good wing flavor. I don't think I'll eat it, but that's a good wing flavor. I don't like coconut. Well, I like coconut, but I don't know if I can do coconut wings. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it. You need a chaos day back here, and you'll understand. Like it gets
Okay, well,
it gets
I've been
chaotic.
waiting for one, and I haven't gotten one. So.
It's coming. The chaos day.
5, 7. And then the first name for you? Brandy. Alright, it's going to be $39.12. 21.
First freaky. First freakies. First freakies. Oh. Freakies. The freakies have been ordered.
And we got dinner taking out.
Time for the
Go ahead
freaky
and have a seat
dance.
wherever you like, and one of the
Freaky
girls will be
wing,
right
freaky wing, freaky wing.
Hi, welcome in. Are we dining in or taking out? Go ahead and have a seat wherever you like, and Hannah will be right with you.
Oh.
I call you anything. I call you special.
I'm married. I'm used to good homie.
Yeah, I hear you. What?
How long his hair is. Jealous. Bet you're super jealous, huh?
Why? Because I'm bald?
Huh?
Why? Because I'm bald?
Yeah.
Why would I be super jealous? Because I'm bald?
Yeah.
You don't think
That's exactly why.
I can grow my luxurious locks out?
Nope.
Probably can't. I probably
When's
can't.
the last time you tried?
I don't think I ever have tried.
Really?
Yeah. I was born bald, and I just shaved my head forever, and never had hair.
You know, there's a tradition that people say that if you shave your baby's head, like when they're first born or whatever, their hair goes back thicker and fuller.
I don't know about that. Who's shaving a born baby?
There's a thing that people actually do. There's
No.
like a
Ask
religion thing or
Zach if he
something.
did that. Zach just had a kid. Ask him if he did that.
Did you shave your kid's head? I didn't either. I have 4 kids and I did it.
No.
You know,
Beautiful full head of hair.
Yeah, Zach has good hair.
yeah, looks pretty big.
Why are you wearing your microphone?
Because I'm making content. Ugh. Ugh. That's why I have a microphone on, bruh.
2 flats, thank you.
I'm not in the kitchen. I'm training.
Yeah,
This is
you're
drill.
right next
This
to
is drill sergeant back here. Attention. Okay. Oh yeah, she's going through cow training today. She's getting it today.
I'm bad juju, so let's hope something actually happens today.
Yeah, phone hasn't rang once. She told me the phone doesn't ring when she's back here, so
Swear to God.
What?
The one time she had me answer it,
it hasn't rang yet.
it's gonna ring.
It's coming.
4 times.
It's only 11:11. Make a wish.
Oh, it's gonna ring.
All right, that's a wrap on Freaky Wing Friday. Thank you for joining us. Not all sauces hit, not all flavors hit, but we change it up every Friday, and we just remember what hits and what doesn't. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.